Pregnant women need to ensure that their diet provides enough nutrients and energy for the baby to develop and grow properly. They also need to make sure that her body is healthy enough to deal with the changes that are occurring. For a healthy pregnancy, the mother's diet needs to be balanced and nutritious. This involves the right balance of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and consuming a wide variety of plants like vegetables and fruits. Vegetables are an excellent source of many well-known vitamins and minerals. In addition to fibers and antioxidants, they also contain folate and magnesium, which helps in baby's growth and development. Some of the vegetables a pregnancy woman can use for diet are baked potatoes and sweet potatoes, broccoli, spinach, tomato vegetable juice, bell peppers, green peas, beets. Sweet potatoes are excellent source of vitamin A, B and C. Bell peppers are high in vitamins and dietary fiber. Broccoli, which is high in vitamin C, K and folate, they also provide beneficial for easing constipation. Green peas are rich in vitamin C and K as well as fiber. Tomatoes are rich in C and K and biotin. Dark leafy greens are high in fiber, folate and carotenoids. It is likely that a pregnant woman can feel more hungry than usual as she is supplying nutrients to a fast-growing fetus. It is recommended that you should keep having meals in small portions to avoid feeling hungry. Eating small portions frequently also helps to relieve digestive problems, which are a common symptoms of pregnancy. During pregnancy, avoid consumption of canned vegetables. Only opt for those which are available in that particular season. It is recommended that a pregnant woman should have around 2 to 3 cups, approximately around 500 grams of vegetables in a day. One may take supplements for vitamins, but vegetables cannot be substituted by pills alone, as the need for fiber cannot be fulfilled by a vitamin supplement. Broccoli is good for pregnant women as it's not only packed with nutrients that are necessary for a healthy pregnancy, such as calcium and folate, but broccoli is also rich in fiber and disease-fighting antioxidants. And since it contains plenty of vitamin C, this popular green vegetable will help your body absorb iron when it's eaten with an iron-rich food, such as whole wheat pasta or brown rice. Leafy greens. Cooked spinach has high levels of folate and iron, and kale and turnip greens are both good calcium sources. So pregnant women should consume leafy greens. Pumpkin seeds. During pregnancy, as your uterus grows, your back, abdominal and hip muscles are required to stretch in new ways. With sufficient protein in your diet, these muscles will be better armed to keep up with their new tasks. Adding pumpkin seeds to your diet will help to boost your intake of protein. There are 5 grams of protein per servings. One serving of protein seeds contain more than 25% of your recommended daily intake of magnesium, which helps speed your ability to use carbohydrates, fats and proteins as source of energy. Pumpkin seeds are also a vegetarian source of iron with about 2 milligrams per cup. Basil is a pregnancy superfood. This fresh herb is a good source of protein, vitamin E, riboflavin. It's a very good source of dietary fiber, vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin B6, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, copper, zinc and manganese. Basil is also packed with iron, vital for keeping your energy levels up. It also contains calcium, essential for strong bones and teeth, and folate, vital for many processes, including fetal cell growth and division. One serving of basil has 20 micrograms of this B vitamin. Whenever possible, choose fresh basil because it contains more of these nutrients than dried basil. One red bell pepper delivers nearly 3 times as much vitamin C as an orange. The nutrient is famous for keeping the immune system in fighting form, a benefit that particularly helpful in pregnancy, which can cause kinks in a woman's immune system. Vitamin C's antioxidant powers may also promote fetal brain development and help your body absorb much needed iron. But pregnant women should never try any of these foods without advice of the doctor. So after watching this video, please consult your family doctor and take advice by them before using any of these vegetables. If you like this video, share this video to your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.